What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Atia. You can call me Tia or Sunny, whichever one you like. And today I'm going to be showing you guys my updated pamper routine, and I am so excited because I tried something different and I loved it. So let's just get straight into it. To start off this routine, I'm gonna make me some tea. I love combining this green tea and Teavana Jade Citrus Mint together because it just is the perfect combination. It takes out the green tea dirt taste and just adds a little sweetness in there. I poured a little bit of lemonade and a few pumps of peppermint syrup, and then I definitely like to heat it up in the microwave for a minute because the lemonade is cold and I want my tea to be smoking, okay? I want it to be hot. But I would recommend not to use the Teavana tea if you're planning to go to sleep after this routine because it does have caffeine in it, and I forgot about that. And then I'm also gonna grab a cold glass of water because when I'm in the bath, I like to soak and I get thirsty. So I need that water to just replenish my dehydration while I'm in there. And it just honestly is so refreshing when you're in a hot bath and drink something cold. Now you know it is my favorite time. It is bath time. I live for a spa like bath, the ones that I see on Instagram and Pinterest and stuff. So I'm first starting off with lighting my candle, and this one is from Bath and Body Works. It smells like the ocean, not like stinky ocean, but like a very fresh breeze from the ocean, like you're at the Bahamas or something. It's just, this candle is it. And I've also been enjoying this Dr. Teal's Calm Your Mind Epsom salt. I don't know what they did with this mix, but they did their thing. It makes me happy and relaxed at the same time. I don't know how to describe it, but it's definitely a vibe that you want. And of course, you know, a bath is nothing without bubbles. So I'm adding my favorite bubble bath from Avon. Now, girl, I got some rose petals because I think roses just add such, luxurious to the bath. When I be seeing Pinterest baths, they have rose petals. So I said, let me do that for myself. So I added some roses just to top off my bath and give me that spa-like feel. And then I'm just going to soak, enjoy my tea, and I'll probably catch up on my friend's vlog. Right now I was watching Jalen's vlog, and then whoever else comes up next, then I'm just going to watch theirs and enjoy my time by myself. It's so refreshing when you can just be by yourself, alone. It just, to me it's sometimes you just need a recharge, and for me I get that when I'm by myself. Either I'm doing something like this, self-care routine, pamper routine, something like this, or if I'm just in my room by myself, somewhere in the car by myself, anywhere by myself, to recharge and regroup is always needed, especially at the end of a work week. But yeah, so once I'm done soaking, of course, I like to wash up. I mean, hello, it is a bath, so I'm going to get nice and clean. But I do like to rinse off with clean water, so of course I can't show y'all that, but I'll just drain the water and rinse off under the faucet. So now to nourish my skin, I've been loving this Gentle Whipped body butter to just still in all of the moisture and help my skin just feel even softer and plump and just bomb. Y'all know I struggle with eczema, so this whipped body butter, baby, she keep my skin shining and glistening and just all good, okay? All good in the hood. And then I go into my skincare routine. So I really don't do a skincare routine like this every night. I'll do this maybe like once or twice a week. This time I've been neglecting it for like a week and a half now. Like as far as like treating it with like mask, all of that stuff. On a daily basis, I'm just doing toner. I'm just doing cleanser, toner, serum, moisturizer, and SPF if it's in the morning time. Or sometimes, honestly, to be truthful, like I'll just do cleanser and moisturizer and go. Or I just splash some water on my face, put some moisturizer on and go. And I don't really have any problems with my skin until my period is about to come. And then she'd be like, boop, boop, boop. Here goes a pimple. There goes a pimple. Boom, boom, boom. But yeah, with this skincare routine that I'm doing right now, I just made sure to put an extra little touch into it. So I was just massaging my skin, doing like techniques that I learned in aesthetic school. And it really made my skin feel super fresh and tight. Yeah, I need to do that more often, honestly. So after my skincare routine, I like to get into my oral hygiene, and honestly, I don't do too much. I just like to brush my teeth with this fluoride-free toothpaste, and that's it. A lot of people ask me like, how do you keep your teeth so white, and like, what do you do? But after talking to my dentist, she said that it's really just how my teeth are. They're not transparent, and also I don't drink a lot of dark drinks like coffee, wine, like red wine and stuff like that. So she said it's just from that, and because my teeth aren't transparent. And so it's kind of just, you know, like they just like that. Like they just like that. All right, and then the last step in my routine is waxing. So I have a full wax routine on my channel, so I just sped through this part. I didn't use the pre-wax spray because I did just come out of the bath. So I just went straight in with the powder, and then I waxed myself. And then afterwards, I did put the after spray on. But if you guys want to see like the full routine, I'll link it up in the cards above, and it'll be in the description box below for you guys to check out. But yeah, you guys, that is my updated pamper routine. If you guys like routines like this, make sure you subscribe and like this video so you guys can see more, and it just lets me know to make more videos like this. Also, follow me on the gram at naturally.sunny. I love you guys so freaking much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.